In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add work experience on LinkedIn in just about 5 minutes. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for building your professional network and showcasing your career achievements. Whether you've just landed a new job, received a promotion, or simply want to update your profile, adding your work experience is crucial. Let's dive right into the process, step by step, to make your LinkedIn profile stand out. First, let's head over to the LinkedIn website. You can either sign in with Google or continue with your LinkedIn account. Depending on the security settings, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. This is just an additional security measure to ensure it's really you trying to access the account. Once you're signed in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your name, which you should find on the left side of the screen. It'll take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can share updates, edit your profile, and of course add new work experience. As you scroll down your profile, you'll come across the experience section. This section is designed to showcase your professional journey. Look for the plus icon within the experience section and click on it. This is your gateway to adding a new position to your profile. Upon clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with the option to add position. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window where you can input the details of your new role. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in several fields, including your job title, company name, and the time period during which you worked in that position. You can also add a brief description of your role and the key achievements or responsibilities you had. Take your time to accurately fill in all the details. Once you're done, click on Save. This will add the new position to your LinkedIn profile, visible to your connections and potential employers or clients browsing your profile. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated with your latest work experience is essential for networking and career opportunities. It reflects your current professional status and highlights your career progression. Additionally, a well-maintained LinkedIn profile can attract recruiters and potential employers who are looking for candidates with your exact skill set and experience. That's it. You've successfully added a new work position to your LinkedIn profile. It's a simple yet impactful way to keep your professional credentials up to date and showcase your career achievements to the world. Feel free to go back and edit any details or add more positions as your career progresses. LinkedIn is your digital resume, and keeping it current is key to professional growth and opportunities. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your LinkedIn profile and advancing your career.